Hello everybody. You can see what is this? What is this answer? What is this?
Duster.
Road.
Duster. Very good. Where is the duster? Where is the duster? Where is the duster?
In your hand.
Very good. In my hand. Because hand in my hand. Because it is in. And when you are in use, I'm telling you the in. When you are sitting on the chair or in the chair, what is right? On the chair
Yes,
or
sir.
in the chair, what is right?
On the chair. Sir,
On
on
the
the chair. On the chair.
No dear, listen.
सर ऑन द चेयर क्योंकि सर वो उसके ऊपर बैठा है
Sir, in the
No,
chair.
dear.
नहीं बैठा
Listen to dear.
Sir,
Listen
in the
to.
chair. In the chair.
Listen to dear. When the chair has two hand sides, then in the chair. If the chair has no support, hand support, no hand support, then on the chair. Stool
सर
on the
अगर वो
stool.
टेबल पे रखा होता तो वो ऑन
Then
द
on the table.
टेबल
On the table. Because table has no support, no ball, no ball. When there is ball, for example, you are sitting on the divan. You know divan? You know divan? Divan has no boundary wall, but you are
सर हेड कांस्टेबल
you are sleeping in the bed because bed has the divar wall support. Okay, my dear. In
सर
and in the
बेड में
same
दीवार कहाँ होती
bed means at the side of leg, at the side of head. Okay, walls are there or not?
यस सर
Next example, you can watch it. There is a, okay, I'm writing on the board. I'm writing on the board. There is a tree. Okay, tree. And there is a what is this?
Sir.
What is this? What you can see?
ये आपने क्या बनाया है?
What you can see?
ट्री
Sir,
ट्री
Okay, where is the word? Now, where is the
ये
word?
कैसा
Where is the
फूल
word?
बैठी है?
Sir, in the tree.
Sir,
Where is
Sir,
the
on
word?
the tree.
No,
In the
in the
tree.
tree. In the
Sir, in
tree.
the tree.
Because
Sir, क्यों
there
नहीं?
are some branches. When it sits in the tree, it is covered by some branches or the other. When something covers you, you become in, not on. Yes, if we say the word is sitting on the branch, then on is right, not in. On the branch, but in the tree. Because it will be covered by some leaves, or some by twigs, or by some branches, so it will be in. The case of in is very, very sensitive. When a little support is there, okay, then in is used. For example, where is the duster? Duster is in my pocket. Okay, my dear, in my pocket. You can see duster. You can see. Can you see, my dear? Can you see? Duster.
Yes, sir.
Yes. If it is chalk,
No,
where
sir.
is chalk? In my pocket, because it is visible. But
Sir,
completely
no, sir.
now inside
no,
my
sir.
now inside my pocket. Where is the chalk? Inside. Completely in. Completely in means inside.
सर मुझे नहीं दिखाई दे रहा.
Chalk is inside. How you can see it? It is inside. Now it is outside. Remember, inside is used with respect to outside. Understand? There are 5 prepositions which are used with the phrase with respect to. Inside is right with respect to outside. Clear, my dear? Inside with respect to outside. Up is right. Where is up is used? Up above the world so high. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Up above, up. Up is right with respect to down. Understand? Up with respect to down. Down with respect to up. I am making up and down to Delhi. I am making up and down to Delhi by train. Train means you are going up, coming down. That is up and down. There are 5 or 6 prepositions. For them, with respect to is very, very compulsory. For example, up and down with respect to each other. From and to From and to. I am going to school from home. From and to are with respect to each other. Clear, my dear? And our example I
Okay,
gave
sir.
you with respect to. For and against. For with against. Against means not in favor of. For means in favor of. For example, there is a debate. I am speaking for the motion.
Sir,
For the
Yashwendra
motion.
Pratap Singh raised his hand.
Okay, I can ask
No,
him.
sir. मैंने-
Hello, Yashwant Pratap Singh.
Sir,
He
sir,
raised his
मैंने
hand one. Okay, he raised his hand one, but he could not delete the hand. Don't worry. Listen to
attendance
my
के
dear.
लिए
Okay, okay. Listen to my dear.
फालतू बोल रहे हैं सर
I
कुछ
say
बच्चे।
I'm actually discussing certain prepositions with you. Okay, some prepositions are very important with the phrase with respect to. From and to with respect to each other. Up and down with respect to each other. Inside and outside. You see on the board. On the board you can see. On the board you can see.
ओह,
From inside the circle. Mohan. Mohan.
सर बच्चे
Outside
अपना
the circle.
चेहरा नहीं दिखा रहे।
Understand, my dear? Inside and outside. Inside the circle, Ram is standing inside the circle. Inside the Lakshman Rekha. Okay. And Mohan is standing outside Lakshman Rekha. With respect to each other, clear, my dear? Inside and outside are used. मैं इसे remove कर इसे light को बुझा रहा हूं तो दिखाई देता। Now you can see. Hello. Now there is a clarity. You can see properly.
Yes, sir.
Inside and outside. Here is a circle. Okay, semicircle. Ram is standing inside the circle. Mohan is standing out with respect to each other. So with respect to word is used. Okay, with respect to now up and down. In the same way, for and against. Let us suppose I am speaking for the motion. For the motion means in favor of the topic. Against the motion means not in favor of the topic. For and against used. Next, I am standing. Where I am standing? Hello. I am standing against the wall, against the board. सटकर खड़ा हूं, सटकर खड़ा हूं ना? I am standing against the board. Against is also used in this sense.
सर वॉइस
Against-
क्लियर नहीं हो रही।
Against means सटकर खड़ा हूं, मैं दीवार के सटकर खड़ा हूं ना? Clear boys? Now comes okay. Next preposition. I say okay. I am putting the duster into my pocket.
Sir, voice is not coming.
Now coming. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
your
sir.
voice
Coming.
is not
Sir,
cutting.
your
Your
voice
voice
is not
is
coming.
also coming.
Okay. Now coming or not?
सर गगन सर
Coming,
चिल्ला
sir,
रहा
coming.
है।
Now coming,
सर
dear.
गगन चिल्ला
Sir, your voice is not cutting.
Okay. Still
Man,
something
nobody
is
is
clear or
telling
not?
lie.
Okay, okay. Listen to my dear. I'm still conveying the full sense. Listen to. Sir, your voice is not coming. Now coming or not? Now.
Sir,
Hello.
Mayank Nawar has an internet connection problem.
Just a minute. Let
Your
me see.
voice is coming properly.
Coming properly.
Sir,
Very
your
good.
voice.
If my dear
Yes, sir.
majority of you, more of you are able to listen to me, and some of you are not listening to me, are not able to listen to me, then it is the defect in your device. Majority of you are listening to me, some of you are not listening to me, some of you, for some of them, there is a problem in their device. Check your device. Because when I can say those who are present today, out of them, if more than 60% are listening to me, then there is no problem in my device. There is a problem in those devices who are not able to listen to. So to correct your device, this is my suggestion to you. So we discussed some prepositions. Okay, in, inside, into motion, on, upon, onto, upon motion, and onto with motion with living thing. Let us suppose there is
Okay, sir.
a road. It is a table. Let us suppose table. Maze. Cat is jumping onto the table. Living thing in motion, then onto. Cat is jumping onto the table. Clear, my dear? Onto, clear? Onto. Now cat
Yes,
is
sir.
jumping off the table. O double F. Okay, dear. O double F is used. Kya hua? What happened? What happened? Something wrong happened? Just a minute. Yes, dear. Is it clear or not? Onto. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute.